Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all are you fine. Today's date 15/6/2021. Subject Maths and topic small and big. Myself Miss Swati. I will teach you maths subject. You know what is a maths? मैथ्स आप जब सीनियर केजी में थे तभी आपने मैथ्स में क्या सीखते थे? नंबर्स, काउंट एंड राइट, ONE1, TWO2, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शंस, राइट? So all of you remove book number 1, okay? In this book you have a 4 part, okay? First English Bal Bharti and English grammar and composition, mathematics, play, do, learn, okay? So I will teach you mathematics. So mathematics आपका 67 to 87 pages पे है, okay? 67 to 87. So all of you remove page number 67, okay? Page number 67. ओके, ओपन किया पेज नंबर 67. या वेरी गुड. नाउ पेज नंबर 68. ओपन पेज नंबर 68. ओपन किया आपने, वेरी गुड. इन पेज नंबर 68 पे क्या है, आप क्या देख रहे हैं? ये आपका मैथ्स पार्ट है एंड लेसन नंबर 1. द टॉपिक इज स्मॉल एंड big, okay? You know small and big. What is mean by small and big? Small means छोटा and big means बड़ा, okay? आपको समझ में आया? All of you understood? Yes, small and big. First topic is a small and big. So I will teach you about a small and big objects. Which things is small and which things is big. ओके सो देयर इज ए 2 कंटेनर. क्या दिख रहा है आपको? कंटेनर, डिब्बे दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, जिसमें मम्मा शक्कर रखती है, कुछ भी रखती है. सो सेम दिख रहा है, दिखने में सेम है दोनों. यस वेरी गुड. बट एक छोटा है और एक बड़ा, एक तो स्मॉल है एंड एक तो बिग है. तो आपको समझ में है डिफरेंस स्मॉल एंड बिग? यस, वेरी गुड. So next is, what is this? What is this? This is a elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant दिख रहा है आपको? And elephant big है कि small? Elephant बहुत big है. And नीचे क्या है? Mouse. Mouse is a small or big? Mouse is a small. So आपको difference पता चला? Who is a small and what is a small and what is a big? Yes. And next, what is these? Leaves. आपने देखे leaves? Yes. And one leaves are small and second one is big. Okay? So आपको difference पता चला big and small? Okay, let's begin to class work. Okay, small and big. The first one. The first picture is, what is this first one? Let's see. Fish and second one is also fish, right? दोनों क्या है? Fish है ना? Yes. अलग अलग है क्या दोनों? No, they are a same. सो फर्स्ट बॉक्स में क्या बोला है? कलर द बॉक्स बिलो द स्मॉलर फिश. किसके नीचे आपको कलर करना है? स्मॉलर फिश के नीचे. ओके, किसके नीचे करना है? स्मॉलर फिश के नीचे. ओके, सो आपको पता समझ में आया इसमें कौन सा स्मॉलर है एंड कौन सा बिग? विच वन इज अ बिग फिश एंड विच वन इज अ स्मॉल फिश? या ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? Okay, so take any one color and color the below the smaller fish. So which one is a smaller fish? This one. This one is a smaller fish. So you have to color. Okay. आपको कलर करने में अच्छा लगता है ना? Yes, very good. So color this one. Okay. So now second one is apple. क्या है ये? Apple. You have see two apple. Yes. One is a big and one is a small. Okay. In a second box आपको क्या बोला है? Color the box below the bigger apple. किसके नीचे आपको कलर करना है? Bigger apple. तो आपको डिफरेंट समझ में आया? Which one is a small apple and which one is a big apple? Yes, all of you? Yes, very good. So now you have to color bigger apple. Bigger apple कौन सा है? This one. Okay. So you have to color. Okay. Now third one. Third one is the color the box below the smaller. Okay, third one is color the box below the smaller vase. Okay. So इसमें से कौन सा पॉट छोटा है एंड कौन सा बड़ा है? Which one is big and which one is small? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, very good. कौन सा? First one is big and second one is. So color the below the smaller vase. Okay. So smaller, which one is small? This one. So color properly. Okay. Now next one is write B for the objects which are big and S for the objects which are small. B for the big object, B for big and S for small. Okay. So big object के लिए B and S for a small object. And इसमें हमें क्या करना है? देखना है which one is a big and which one is a small objects. Okay. So first one is a what is this? Bag. Bag, big and small object. Bag, cup, doll, tree, ball and kite. क्या क्या दिख रहा है आपको पिक्चर्स में? फर्स्ट वन इज बैग, सेकेंड वन इज अ कप, थर्ड वन इज अ डॉल, फोर्थ वन इज ट्री, फिफ्थ वन इज ball and sixth one is kite. So first one is a bag. Bag, big object or small object? Big object. The bag is big object. So write in the box B for big. And second one is cup. Okay, second one is cup. So cup, small object or big object? कप इज अ स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट. कप तो बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है, तो कप क्या है? स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट. एस फॉर स्मॉल. ओके. नाउ थर्ड वन इज अ डॉल. डॉल इज अ बिग ऑब्जेक्ट. आपको बड़ा दिख रहा है कि नहीं डॉल? यस, वेरी गुड. सो डॉल इज अ बिग ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज ट्री. ट्री इज अ बिग ऑब्जेक्ट. After tree, there is a ball. Ball, big object or small? Big object. बड़ा दिख रहा है कि नहीं ball? Ball is a big object. And last one is a kite. Kite is a small object. So kite is a small object. So all of you stand. What is a small object and big object? Okay. Can you difference between small object and बिग ऑब्जेक्ट? आप उसको डिफरेंस कर सकते हैं अभी? कौन सा स्मॉल है एंड कौन सा बिग? यस एवरीवन. नाउ tell me which one is a big container and which one is a small container. Tell me fast. Yes, very good. The blue is a big container and the red one is a small container. And समझ में आया आपको? Understood? Yes, which one is a big and which one is a small? Now next. What is this? Leaves. Okay. So which one is a big leaves and which one is a small leaves? Can you understood? आपको समझ में आया? Yes, very good. First one is a big leaves and second one is a small leaves. कितना easy है ना? आपको समझ में आया अभी small and big things? Now next one is, what is this? Apple. क्या है ये? Apple. Which one is a small apple and which one is a big apple? समझ में आया आपको? Yes. First one is a small apple and second one is a big apple. अभी आपको समझ में आएगा कौन सा big है and कौन सा small. Okay. Now tell me, there is a two books, 1 and 2. आपको इसमें समझ में आ रहा है which one is a small book and which one is a big book? Yes, the blue one is a big book, okay, and second one is a small book. Understood? Now there is a two container, first one and second one. Which one is big and which one is a small? Anybody please tell me? Yes, very good. The white one is a small and this one is a big. Okay. Now all of you understood which one is a small things and which one is a big things? Yes, first one is color the box below the smaller fish. So which one is a small fish? This one. So you have to color this one. Okay. Now second. What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Color the box below the bigger apple. Which one is a bigger and which one is a small? Yes, everybody. Anyone? No. Yes, very good. First one is a big apple. So color the box this one. Okay. Now in third pictures, color the box below the smaller vase. Okay. First one is second one. Which one is a small? Yes, very good. Second one is a small. Okay. Now next one, that is your homework part. But I will explain you. So write a B for the object which are big and S for the object which are small. So first one is a bag. Bag is a big or small? Big. Okay. Now next one is a cup. Cup is small or big? Small. Third one is a doll. Doll is big or small? Big. Tree. Tree big or small? Big. So write here B. B for big. And the ball is big. बड़ा दिख रहा है कि नहीं आपको? So B. B for big. And kite. Kite is a small. Okay. That is your homework part. But in first lecture I will explain you how to do your homework. Okay. So write here B as for small. B for big. The tree is big. So write here B. And next one is a ball. Ball. B. B for big. Big ball. Okay. Now next one is a kite. Last one is a kite. S for small, because the kite is a small. So all of you understood small difference between small and big. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now open your page number 69. 69. So 69 activity, that is So look at the picture and color the fish that are big. आपको इसमें से किसको कलर करना है? फिश को. Why? Because fish are very big. तो आप इसमें से फाइंड करो वेयर इज अ फिश. फिश तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट आपको कलर कौन से फिश को करना है? जो बहुत बिग है, एकदम बड़े फिश को. ओके, सो दैट इज योर होमवर्क. ये आपका क्या है? होमवर्क. ओके, सो डू योर होमवर्क. आप कर लोगे अपना होमवर्क? कुछ करना नहीं है. क्या करना है? बिग फिश को कलर करना है. लुक एट ए पिक्चर्स एंड कलर द फिश दैट आर अ बिग. जो बिग फिश है उसको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू कलर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so all of you understood difference between small and big, which object is a small and which object is a big. Okay, first fish, apple. Okay, understood? So students, आपको समझ में आया big and small? Let's see on the screen. देख रहे हो आप लोग? बिग एंड स्मॉल. नेक्स्ट वन इज बिग लीव्स एंड स्मॉल लीव्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज बिग एंड स्मॉल, दैट इज एप्पल, विच वन इज बिग एंड वन इज स्मॉल. पेज नंबर 69, that is your homework. Look at the picture and color the fish and that are a big, that is the aquarium. ओके, सो इसमें से आपको फाइंड करना है विच वन इज अ बिग फिश एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कलर. ओके, विच वन इज अ बिग फिश. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई विल टीच यू मैथ्स. ओके, पेज नंबर 67 to 87, ये इस पे ही आपका मैथ्स का पोर्शन है. एंड पेज नंबर 68 and 69, first lesson. Okay, small and big. So all of you understood big things and small things? Okay, very good.